Alright, so AI is everywhere these days. It's writing our emails, making our playlists, even driving our cars, but making movies, that feels different, right? AI Movie Maker 2.0 promises to do just that, and it's causing quite a stir. This software claims to take your ideas and turn them into full-blown videos, all thanks to the power of AI. Sounds crazy, maybe. But is it actually any good? Let's find out. This isn't just for big-time Hollywood directors either. AI Movie Maker 2.0 is marketed toward anyone with a story to tell. Think educators making engaging lessons, small businesses crafting marketing content, or even just regular people wanting to spice up their social media. The big question is, can AI really handle the nuance and creativity of filmmaking? Let's dive in. The interface is clean and surprisingly simple. It doesn't feel intimidating, which is a win for accessibility right off the bat. But user-friendliness only gets you so far. The real test is whether this thing can actually deliver on its promises. Let's break down the key features and see what we're working with. At the heart of AI Movie Maker 2.0 is its script-to-video engine. This is where the magic supposedly happens. You feed the software a script and it analyzes the text, identifying key elements like characters, scenes, and even emotions. It then goes to work, pulling from its vast library of stock footage, images, and music to assemble a visual representation of your story. But it's not just blindly slapping things together. AI Movie Maker 2.0 lets you customize your project with a drag-and-drop interface. Want to swap out a certain image for something more fitting? No problem. Need to rearrange the order of scenes? Go for it. You're not completely locked into the AI's initial interpretation. And the built-in media library is surprisingly robust. You've got access to a ton of royalty-free music, sound effects, and even AI-generated voiceovers to bring your characters to life. Speaking of voiceovers, the AI does a decent job of matching the tone and style to the scene, though it can sometimes sound a bit robotic. Once your masterpiece is complete, AI Movie Maker 2.0 offers various export options. You can choose your resolution, file format, and even add automatic captions for accessibility. It's a pretty comprehensive package, at least on paper. But how does it all come together in practice? One of the biggest advantages of AI Movie Maker 2.0 is its accessibility. You don't need to be a video editing wizard to use this software. The learning curve is surprisingly gentle, and the intuitive interface means you'll be churning out videos in no time. This is a huge win for anyone who's been intimidated by traditional video editing software. And let's talk about time saving. AI Movie Maker 2.0 can put together a rough cut of your video in minutes, something that could take hours or even days with traditional methods. This frees you up to focus on the creative aspects of your project, like refining the story or tweaking the visuals to perfection. But perhaps the most impressive thing about AI Movie Maker 2.0 is its ability to deliver surprisingly professional-looking results. The AI does a great job of choosing visually appealing footage and seamlessly stitching it together. The end product might not be winning any Oscars, but it's more than good enough for social media, presentations, or even simple explainer videos. Section 4, Room for Improvement, where 2.0 falls short. While AI Movie Maker 2.0 boasts a lot of positives, it's not without its downsides. One of the biggest drawbacks is the limited customization options. While you have some control over the visuals and audio, you're ultimately at the mercy of the AI's initial interpretation of your script. This can be frustrating if you have a very specific vision in mind. Another issue is the reliance on an internet connection. AI Movie Maker 2.0 is a cloud-based software, meaning you'll need to be online to use it. This can be a deal-breaker for anyone who travels frequently or works in areas with unreliable internet access. And then there's the issue of overused templates. While the built-in media library is extensive, you might start to notice the same footage and music popping up in different videos. This can make your content feel generic, especially if you're using the software to create videos for a specific brand or aesthetic. Section 5, Verdict. Is AI Movie Maker 2.0 right for you? So is AI Movie Maker 2.0 the revolutionary filmmaking tool it claims to be? The answer, as with most things in tech, is It depends. If you're a professional filmmaker or video editor, this probably isn't going to replace your current workflow. The limited customization options and reliance on stock footage might feel restrictive. However, if you're someone who needs to create engaging video content quickly and easily, AI Movie Maker 2.0 is definitely worth checking out. It's incredibly user-friendly, produces surprisingly professional results, and can save you a ton of time and effort. Think of it as a powerful tool for anyone who needs to communicate visually, even if you don't have a Hollywood budget or years of experience. Overall, AI Movie Maker 2.0 is a promising step towards democratizing video creation. It's not perfect, but it's a powerful tool that can help anyone tell their story.